A seed seller is not an option you should speak with if you want some of the rarest seeds and secret seeds to grow a garden. In this video, we will explain what we mean as we go over how to obtain quests and how to obtain a ton of rewards from them. Well, the 3 goals that make up daily quests are different every day. Depending on the day, they may be planting specific seeds, harvesting specific crops, and making a specific amount of money. If you finish one of the quests, the game will let you know, but to receive a reward, you must finish all 3 of the quests within the day. Typically, quest rewards come in the form of seed packs, which will give you a random seed. Does not that sound thrilling? What if I told you that the seeds might be secret seeds that the seed vendor does not sell? Yes, if you are lucky, seed packs can provide you with some very special new plant varieties. Golden trees, pineapples, raspberries, and peaches are all possible rewards. Raphael, the NPC at the quest giver stand, is where you may view your daily quest progress, determine how much longer you have to complete the objectives, and pick up your rewards. This is located at the exact opposite end of the game map from the seller and the seed stall, next to the gear stall. When you are finished, make sure to engage with him to obtain your secret seed packets. I hope you found it useful.